In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a trial balance in Xero. This is an essential step for checking whether your accounts are accurate and properly balanced. It gives you a clear snapshot of your financial position and helps you catch any issues early before they become bigger problems. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can confidently run this report whenever you need it. Start by logging into your Xero account and landing on your dashboard. Once you're there, look at the top navigation bar. You'll see several options, but the one you need is labeled Accounting or Reports, depending on your interface. Go ahead and click on Reports to open the Reporting section. Inside the Reports area, you'll find a list of commonly used financial reports. If you don't immediately see the trial balance, look for an option like All Reports or a search bar at the top. This section gives you access to the full list of available reports in Xero. Now, scroll through the list until you find Trial Balance. It's usually grouped under Financial or Accounting Reports. Once you see it, click on it to open the Report Setup page. Before running the report, you'll notice a few options you can adjust. The most important one is the date range. Choose the period you want to review, for example, the current month, a specific quarter, or the full financial year. Selecting the correct date range ensures the report reflects the exact time frame you want to analyze. After setting your date range, click the Update or Run Report button. Xero will now generate your trial balance. What you'll see is a list of all your accounts along with their debits and credit balances. The key thing to check here is that total debits equal total credits. If they match, your books are balanced for that period. If they don't, it means something needs to be reviewed or corrected. You can also customize the report further. For example, you can compare periods, add columns, or export the report as a PDF or Excel file for sharing or deeper analysis. These options are useful if you're working with an accountant or preparing financial statements. A quick tip: make it a habit to run your trial balance regularly, especially at the end of each month. This helps you spot errors early, such as missing entries or incorrect postings, and keeps your financial records clean and reliable. Another helpful practice is to review unusual balances. If an account looks off or doesn't match your expectations, take a closer look at the transactions behind it. This small step can save you a lot of time later. And that's all there is to it. Open the Report section, find the trial balance, set your date range, and run the report. With just a few clicks, you can get a clear view of your financial standing and keep your accounts on track. Thanks for watching, and with this approach, you can stay in control of your finances and make better, more informed decisions every time you review your accounts.